people, I'm back again with another exciting strategy that will keep you moving in the forex market. So without wasting much time, let's get in. This is how you set your strategy. You see, it has two indicators. You see, the stochastic oscillator and the moving average. This is how you set your stochastic oscillator. You see, then you click on what? Done. Then you come to your moving average. Then you click on what? Done. So you will look for best entry and best exit point of the market. So when you see a candles form like this, it's supposed to be the same type. As you can see, it's supposed to be uptrend, up candle, up candle, up candle. It's supposed to be maybe 4, 5, depending if it is more, depending on it. You see, the candles are supposed to be the same type. As you can see, this is uptrend, up candle, then a down candle form. So this candle, the down candle, is supposed to be a Garvey candle, maybe half of the top candle, or maybe bigger than that candle. Then you enter the market. You enter the market somewhere here. When you see that one forming, you enter the market somewhere here. By somewhere here, you are out of the market. By somewhere here, you are out. You enter here. By somewhere here, you are out of the market. This is how the strategy works. But at that time, you can see that the moving average and the stochastic will cross each other. As you can see, they have crossed each other. So you are supposed to enter the market. Then you exit by somewhere here. You see, by somewhere here, you are supposed to be out of the market. This is a scalping. If you take your 20 pips, you are out. So you see, it forms all the time. As you can see. You see, it comes all the time. As you can see. You see. As you can see from here, you see it has crosses each other, you see, and you are seeing the same type of candle. As you can see, you see what I showed you, you see, it's supposed to be like this, the same candle, the same type of candle, maybe 3 or 4 or 5. Then you see a down candle, then you enter the market. So by somewhere here, you enter here, by somewhere here, you are out of the market. You see, at that time, the moving average and the stochastic will cross each other. So this is how you can enter the market, the best entry and exit point of the market. You can see that another type is also formed at the down. You see, the downtrend, you see down candle, down candle, down candle, down candle. Then you see big fat and Garvey candle. This is the uptrend. Then you enter somewhere here. You enter the market here. By somewhere here, you are supposed to exit from the market. You take your 15 or 10 or 20 pips. You are out, depending on the market. As you can see, it comes all the time. You see, it forms here again, as you can see here. But the moving average and the moving average and the stochastic does not cross, so you leave that one. As you can see, it comes all the time. This is the best entry and exit point of the market. So I'll see you in my next video. Okay, please like what I was saying. You can see the same type of candle. You see, up candle, up candle, up candle, up candle, up candle, up candle. You see, then you see a down candle like this. Then you enter the market. Then you take your profit from here to here. You are out. That time it will be like 20 or 15 pips. You are out of the markets. You see, this strategy will work perfectly for you if you follow. At that time, you can see that the moving average and the stochastic has also crossed each other, as you can see. So I will see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so for more educated videos like this. See you. Bye.